Good afternoon, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus a Poshmark unboxing. This is the first time I've had a Poshmark unboxing with a wrapped present-like box presentation. My usual inclination is to gently remove all the paper to save it, but I think it's kind of well parceled in the way that is not conducive to saving it, at least in one big piece. Perhaps I can take it off in smaller pieces and reuse the paper. It's really pretty paper, by the way. Thank you, seller. And a most likely reused parcel box, which is, again, very nice. And we will get out our handy dandy. Hope we didn't misplace it. Handy dandy. There it is. Handy dandy X-Acto knife, which I purchased at U-Haul. And we moved. We're getting packed to come here to our new location in the subarctic, not far from Kapuskasing, Ontario. And here we go. Oh, another seller who likes to wrap things up in individual little individual parcels. Very cute. And I will be careful to try to preserve this because I can reuse it. Well, not showing what I'm showing on screen. So this is a bigger box than the last one that I just did. If we had just wrapped it, dear seller, in the interest of being good at reusing packaging, just wrapping it in would be okay. I don't mind if you don't use tape, because then I can reuse this. So anyways, this is one part of the bundle. This is Lululemon, and it came as a lot. Oh, Lululemon. The ones that don't fit me will be used for the either to sell to members of the gym, fitness center, which is upstairs. That's what all the noise is. And the ones that fit me are going to be mine. There's a Lululemon. I paid, I think, $60 for this pile. The rest is other things, but actually I paid less than $60 since I got a bundle discount. Sorry, not bundle, but basically I got all the stuff in here, and then she marked down the price for the whole box full. So I didn't pay $60, but if I had just bought this as she could have charged me $60 plus the usual almost $14 shipping and handling, but I was like, nope, there's way more in this lovely seller's closet than just this. And here we have another Lululemon. Oh man, I gotta be paying better attention to where my camera is pointed. I'm especially excited because owning a fitness center, I don't want to be wearing the same clothes over and over again, and that is impossible to avoid until my clothing and other belongings, 99% of which are still in storage in Guelph and some in Windsor, until we can go and pick them up. So here we have some more Lululemon. There we go, Lululemon. Nice Lululemon. Oh, and there's this tank top. Yep, and this is a self-bra. I love the self-bra ones. These two are tank tops. And this is like a sports bra style. Another good one. And then here's another tank top. Ooh, look at how bright that the pink is. That's a lot brighter than it showed up in the pictures. That's cool. And then Lululemon and another stuffy bra. And then another, I think this looks like, oh yes, this is one of my favorite styles. I do have nice abs, but I kind of like the style of this, even though it's not revealing, but it's very cute. So that's that for that part of the Lululemon. I think there might be, I think there's another Lululemon in here. It's a hoodie, which I believe is in scuba style. I don't know why they call it scuba, but there you have it. And then, even though this looks like lingerie, it is actually a bathing suit. Yeah. If it's too big, I will hang on to it to either sell to clients, either through the Airbnb arena or through the fitness center, or maybe give it as a gift. Let's see, and there's a top, a swim top there, and this is new with tags, I think. No, maybe not new with tags, but it's in good condition. And if it doesn't fit, same thing applies. There's that. And this is the brand, what's this called? Forever 21. And then this one is, let's see. I like listening to the video, or to the music that people bring. There we go. Smart. There we go. Smart and sexy. And then this is some bottoms. Roxy swimwear. I go between a medium and a small, and totally depends on the company and whatnot. Let's see what else we're gonna get here. Oh, my aunt. She's not a very big person, and she finds things very heavy that a lot of other people wouldn't find heavy. So I'm in the search of always finding her some new purses, and because some of her purses are really old and tattered and ugly looking. So I found some more small purses. This needs some work, but I'm pretty handy with needle and thread. This is Calvin Klein, a nice leather with lots of pockets. Let's see. Yeah, I can manage that pretty easily. The repair job will be, I have a leather needle. I can do that. Some good thread. There's that. And that. And there we go. Yeah. It's a nice size purse. Leather. I love leather. All those vegans who complain about animal cruelty and stuff seem to forget that most of their stuff is either made from oil, which do I really need to explain, Exxon Valdez and all the other oil spills, and plus they don't last nearly as long. Leather, if you take care of it, can last for centuries. Whereas, the plastic stuff, ugh, fake leather, fake fur, yuck. And when you kill an animal, you use everything you can. Leather, is a byproduct. And this is London Fog, also a good company. Another cute purse, which if taken care of properly will last for a very long time. And even if not taken care of particularly well, it will still last longer than the fake leather style stuff. There we go. Very nice. And if my aunt doesn't like them, then I add them to my collection. There. I like that. That's clever. A nice strong purse. Yep. And then there was another one in a kind of a beigey color, but I didn't want to buy two because I was running low on money. This one is that. This is a purse insert, so you can put your cards on the on the outside. Put some other stuff in here and stick it inside another purse. I love it. And then we have, here's the thank you card. Thank you so much for your purchase, Amanda. Happy poshing, absolutely. Thank you so much, Amanda. I enjoy buying stuff from Poshmark. And I'm pretty sure that I saw a bunch of other stuff from this seller that I will be I'm looking at, but I have to wait until we make some money for our Airbnb. And not that I need, until my stuff comes, I could use more clothing, but I intend to buy some more stuff for the Airbnb and also for the gym. So this is a shirt that either my own partner David can wear. It will look good on him, and it would be okay for my dad as well. They're both similar size, although David really likes extra large, S4, 6X large kind of thing, 6 times large, especially for hoodies and things, which I can understand. He's pretty tall. And this is for my aunt. Nice drawstrings, bright colors. And then these are, whose are these for? I think, yeah, these are for my aunt as well. And if they don't fit, that's a decent company. I think I have a couple of these, or at least one from this company. Seems like nice quality, and it all smells good. And then this is for my aunt. And again, if these don't fit her or she doesn't like them, I think these are probably too big for me. So, so I will have them in the, be able to sell them to people here in the gym, or as things for the Airbnb people. Hello, David. I'm in the middle of my Poshmarking. I'm in the middle of Poshmark unboxing. No, Poshmark unboxing. Yes. And then here's a Lululemon. I've gone through.
What are you answering your Hotmail?
No, I'm doing Poshmark unboxing.
Oh, sweet.
Yes. So here's the hoodie. This actually, the hoodie, I think, I'm going to have to look, but I think the hoodie actually came with the Lululemon bundle, but she packed it separately. So, and yeah, hopefully that will fit me. I seem to think that small is too small for me, which is odd, because usually I'm a small in things. Nice. Yep. I'll have to try it on later. And then, oh, there's more goodies in here. This is a pink brand little bag. And I love the fact that there's 2 sets of handles. That's always handy. Let's see what's in here. Getting good at one-handed opening. Oh, yes, more goodies. Oh, a Oakley eyeglass case. My family seems to have this really irritating habit of leaving their glasses lying around naked on tables and beds and stuff. I'm like, you guys have bad eyesight, and you, oh my god, and they put them down, and then they can't find them, and I'm like, put it in a case. Don't just put it on your bed, or put it on something. Oh, I don't remember this. Did I buy these? Oh, maybe I did. I don't remember. I apologize in advance, but I think they were cheap, or they came as a gift. I don't recall. And then, oh, another bathing suit. Bottoms. Size medium. Yes, I think these are reversible too, which is even more cool. Maybe not. I don't remember. This is from, I don't know how to pronounce this. I've never heard the word out loud. There we go. Gartos or something. And then, wow. I don't remember all this stuff. I'm going to have to look. This is a set of 3 cases. They'll be good for, I don't wear makeup, but yeah, I really don't remember that. But, you know, put little things in like charge cases and, or charger blocks and cords and, hello, sir.
Ouch.
And I can get, these would make good Christmas gifts too. And then a bench. This is for my aunt. A hoodie. Oh, that's right. And then this is for the Airbnb. Nobody steals it, but I will have record of it so I can get my money back if somebody decides to steal it or break it. I thought this is very cute. Nice big, good sized mug. Yeah, be bold. Loyal, silly, generous, honest, confident, graceful, and kind, but most of all be happy. I wish we could all just demand ourselves to be happy and at work, but, you know, there you go. Very interesting way of wrapping, seller. That was clever. I guess it helps it not slide out. Yes, be happy, and you get to the bottom of the cup. Woo! Set that aside. And then
Sarah,
Yes, sir.
it's inevitable. I have to go back on Monday.
You gotta go okay. And then this is from my auntie. It's a bench. If she doesn't like it, I will take it for myself. Actually, it might be too small. Blah. So it's really cute. And then what do you call it? Cardigan. She thought this was really pretty, and so did I. But I bought it before she said yes, so I took a chance. That was a good chance. And it is from the company called Pink Rose, size large. And very cute. I think she'll really like that. And that is the bottom of the bag, Monsieur. And
Sarah, do you have $3?
I'm in the middle of a Poshmark. Is this going to be on record?
69.
I'll see. Anyways, I hope
20.
everyone... Wait, please.
I need some calcium.
No calcium. I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever,
Yeah,
and
too.
whomever you are. Stay
So know
awesome.
who you are.
Stay adventurous.
Big groundhog.
Oh my God.